Hey everyone, it's Smokey here from SmokeyBubbles.com. Are you also getting frustrated by these Kärcher products and this Kärcher foam cannon? Now, first of all, the Kärcher foam gun does foam monkey balls. Not a thick blue foam as you want it to be. And second of all, you get this badass connection that is very frustrating to work with. Stick it in like that, and then you can't twist it again. Doesn't really work that well, does it? Have no fear, Smokey's here. Now, most detailers use guns like these, but if you're poor like me, well, this is not really an option because these can get pretty expensive, you know? So the only thing you need is this little part right here that fits into the Kärcher. Just once, because we all know it's not that nice to use. And after that, it's so easy to put on the Smokey Bubbles foam cannon or the spray nozzle. So you can now feel like a detailer, only a lot cheaper. Nozzle. God dang it. Available in our web shop right now. Go check it out.